Hi everyone, and welcome back to my IGTV channel. So I wanted to do another unboxing video for you so that you can be equally surprised as I am. We need that little burst of energy, we need a little fun in the week. So here we go. This is what I've just received from the House of Rajput. Okay, and let me just show you what we have. A little private note. I think it's ideal if you want to buy a little birthday present for a girlfriend that you can always actually get it sent directly to your friend's place, and you can always tell the House of Rajput in your order. Let them know what little private message they can put in the card for you. So you can say like happy birthday or happy anniversary or what have you. So that's quite sweet, right? Okay, let's see. First thing, we have a few little pouches in that bag actually, but I'll go through them one by one. So they come in little pink pouches, which is very sweet. And I think these cloth pouches are nice to keep your jewelry in so that it does not get exposed to the air, and therefore sometimes it may tarnish the different metals. And also it doesn't scratch against each other when you put it in the drawer. So here we go. It's wrapped in tissue paper with their signature logo sticker on it. So very, very nice packaging. Even the tissue paper has their logo on it. Okay. So here we've got the first piece. Now what I like also is that they actually package their individual pieces in Ziploc bag. I think this is from one of her latest collection. So very cute, very unique with a beautiful stone there, natural stone. Try to make sure that you don't spray any perfume on it. I always just am extra careful. But yeah, see, it's quite nice with this top. Now let me just go through the next item. This is gorgeous, very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna show you one side first. Look, it's the orchid earring that I'm sure a lot of you would have already seen it on her feed and also on their website. But this has the danglers with the natural stones at the end. And look, there's even a colored stone in the center. That yellow colored stone in the center. So that's very pretty. So, look. Nice, right? Thank God I'm wearing orange lipstick. See, it matches so perfectly. Look. Okay, gonna put it on and you can see how it looks. Okay, there you go. Look, it's so pretty. Obviously, this is a nighttime earring. You're not gonna wear this out in daytime. And what I would do is I'll put my hair back so it looks a little bit more sophisticated. And look at that. See, it looks good on black as well. Very nice earrings. So I'm gonna style this probably with an evening look, but pretty. Now let me have a look at the second pouch. Here's the second pouch. Oh my God, I feel so bad that she's individually wrapped everyone. She could just put everything in one bag. But there you go. It's so sweet. I mean, it's nice when you are receiving a gift and it's like, oh, the surprise is waiting to be opened. And I'm like, Christmas came early. Hey, look, my birthday's around the corner. Oh, these are pretty. Very nice. I love dangling earrings, and you know what? I think Jia has been noticing what I've been wearing on my feet, and she has picked out a couple of these earrings that she knows. It's my style, you know? Beautiful, isn't it? Let me just show you one, which is a little bit clearer so you can see it. Let me just do that. Very nice, isn't it? Right? These are not as statement as the orchid earrings, so but it's also very nice to wear for evening, and because it is small enough, it's also pretty for daytime wear. See, even with what I'm wearing, a black top with just a casual pair of pants, you can still walk around in it. And of course, if you have long hair or you leave your hair down, it's not so loud. You can go out and have coffee with this. Oh, I love it. So pretty. Oh my God, these are so pretty. So pretty. Look at that. It's got pink stones on it, and at the end, a very big stone. Look. Let me put that on. The clasp at the back is different. It's not your standard earring, so it's got a double protection. And you open it up this way, and then you still have the back that you have to put it through. Okay, so let me just put that on. So we will hold it in place. Okay, done. Look. Very nice, isn't it? So I like that it's got the pink stone. It's just have that little bit of sweetness to sort of, and it's, you can see it's sparkling. It's sparkling, so nice. So I really have to think, I mean, thank God I wore a black top today, but I really need to think like, how can we just, ooh la la, this piece out. So you have to watch this space, and I have to bring it to you in a different video, all the different notes with all these gorgeous pieces. Now let's have a look at the next one. This time something different. It is a brooch. I thought this was a ear cuff, but no, it's a brooch. And I think Jia has noticed that I was doing these patches thingy, so maybe she wanted me to wear a proper brooch instead of using a patch. Ah, you know what I just noticed? There is also another pin at the back here that you can pin down so that it's not dangling. You know how you wear it this way, like that. So it holds it in place. Perfect, isn't it? Okay, let's see what else there is. Okay, sad to say, last pouch. Let's see what there is. Ooh, this I saw as part of their latest collection. This is absolutely stunning. So beautiful, with the stone in the center, the little crystals, and more crystals on the side. Kira hoops, very pretty, especially against a black outfit. And if you have an evening dinner to attend to, it's very nice to pull your hair back, and then you get the gorgeousness of it. Isn't it lovely? Very pretty, isn't it? Okay, now this is another thing which I just saw. You know, I've also showed you from other brands mismatched earrings, and you know, with House of Rajput, you can also do your own mismatch. So let us just try to do a mismatched earring pair from what I just received. With 2 pairs of earrings, you actually get 3 different looks. So I like this one. It is absolutely stunning piece. And remember this piece that I showcased to you earlier, because it's also got the blue stone. See? So this is like a mismatched earring where you can do one dangling piece and one solid piece. Nice, huh? I think it's quite cute. So let me put together different looks with these different earrings and these different jewelry with the necklace and the brooch, and I will showcase them to you one by one. So thanks for watching, and I hope you go check out House of Rajput website to have a look a little bit more in their latest collections. See ya!